In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to integrate Gumroad with Beehiiv using Zapier. First, open Zapier, Gumroad and Beehiiv in your browser and log in to your accounts. Once you are inside Zapier, create a new Zap to start the automation. Now choose Gumroad as the trigger app. For the trigger event, select New Sale so the workflow runs automatically whenever someone purchases your product. Next, connect your Gumroad account using your API key. To find the API key, open your Gumroad dashboard, go to Settings, then open the Advanced section and copy your API key. Paste the API key into Zapier and finish connecting your account. After that, choose Beehiiv as the action app. Now, select an action like create or update subscriber or add subscriber to automation depending on the workflow you want to create. Then, connect your Beehiiv account and choose the publication or newsletter where you want new customers to be added. Next, map the customer details from Gumroad such as email address, first name, product name or tags. You can also create product-based tags to organize subscribers and send targeted email campaigns later. Once everything is configured, run a test to make sure the subscriber is added correctly to your Beehiiv newsletter. If the test works successfully, click Publish or turn on Zap. Now every new Gumroad buyer will automatically be added to your Beehiiv newsletter audience. This is a great way to grow your email list while selling digital products and build long-term relationships with your customers. And that's how to integrate Gumroad with Beehiiv. Thanks for watching and goodbye.